this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the driver is unavailable on your printer error in your Windows 11 computer. So to fix this, we first need to head over to the Start menu and just search for Device Manager and then click on the Device Manager window. Now, once you've opened this up, you need to expand the print queues option down here and you need to locate the printer that you're having issues with. So mine is this HB9 printer at the bottom. So we're going to right click on this and select Uninstall Device. Then just confirm by pressing Uninstall. And now once you've uninstalled this, you'll then need to head over to your Start menu and just shut down your computer. Once your computer's turned off, we're then going to disconnect the printer and then you can turn your computer back on and reconnect your printer. Once your computer's turned back on, head over to the Start menu and just search for Settings and click on the Settings window. From the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and Devices, scroll down to Printers and Scanners and click this, and right at the top here, click on Add Device. Now, your printer should automatically be detected, but if for some reason it can't find your printer, then just click on this Add Manually button and then just go through the steps on the screen to manually reinstall your printer. Now, you also need to make sure that your Wi-Fi on your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your printer. Now, if that's still not working, head back over to the Start menu and search for Device Manager again. And once again, you're going to expand the print queues and just locate your printer from the list. Right click on it and select Update Driver, and then press Search Automatically for drivers. Now, once you've done that, you can check to see if that's now solved your printer issue. If it's still not working, head back over to the Start menu and just search for Printers and then select Printers and Scanners. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and press Troubleshoot, and then just go through the steps on the screen here to try and diagnose any issues with your printing service. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.